for I, you, they, we, does for he, she, it, can be basically in two ways. One, as the main verb. In this case, do, does mean do, generally something abstract. Make is more to make, manufacture something with your hands. Learn to use do and make. For instance, example 1. I do a lot of things. Example 2. She does everything. 2. As an auxiliary verb, to ask and deny in the present tense. For the past, we use did for all people. In this case, we cannot translate into the Spanish since it is a construction of English. Remember, do, does are used to ask and deny in the present tense of practically all verbs except to be an auxiliary verb can, could, must, will, etc. Remember, when you use does as an auxiliary verb to ask or deny, the main verb always goes in the infinitive without is. Let's see examples. Example 1. Do you know her? It is a question in the present. Now is not the verb to be, so I must use do does to ask. Example 2. Does his work here? It is a question in the present. The main verb is work, therefore I must use does or does. Finally, I decide on does, since this the third person. He using the word therefore incorrect in this question. Example 3. He don't do it. In this example, we see that do I use in two ways. I as an auxiliary to be as an auxiliary verb because I am denying and B as a main verb with the meaning of to do. Remember, with the verb to be, you cannot use the auxiliary verb do to negate. To negate the verb to be, I must use not. For example, I say she is not a teacher or she is not a teacher. Other use of do or does, did. To answer a question. Then you ask a question using do, does, did as an auxiliary verb. Is an answer in a short way. Say yes, I do, or not, I don't. The short answer is never answered by repeating the main verb. For example, do you work? Is it never answered as does in Spanish with the main verb. Yes, I work. Is the answer we do like this? Yes, I do. 4. For emphasis. When you want to emphasize affirmative action, you place do, does, that in front of the main verb, the one that performs the action. Let's see example. Example 1. Do you really work here? Yes, I do work here. Example 2. She does work hard. Example 3. They did do it. Example 4. I do want to see her.